My brother printer refuses to turn on. I changed the ink and I couldn't get it to start up again. I unplugged it, plugged it back in, did a little research, and I found out what the problem was. It's really an easy fix, so let me share it with you. Okay, so as you can see here, my printer is Brother model MFC J4510DW. But I think the fix for all of these is relatively the same. So let me walk you through this. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the panel up so it's easier to see. If you're wondering how you do that, right underneath here is sort of a button that you press and it'll bring the panel up. Now the first thing you want to do is pull out the paper. Now you can see that mine is already turned on because I did fix it. But if yours isn't turned on, what you're going to do first of all is unplug your printer from the electricity. Then what you'll do is press and hold the power button. Now nothing will light up, nothing will turn on of course because it's unplugged. But press and hold that. While you're holding that, with another hand or have another person plug in the machine. And what's going to happen, your screen will light up, and after about 10 seconds, you'll get that message. Put the paper tray firmly back in the machine. Put it back in, and the machine will reset itself. Now, I have not yet reset my date or time, so it says it's January 1st, 2014 at 12:25. That is not what it is. This is almost the end of 2017 when I'm making this, but all of that then can be reset. So very simply, take out the paper tray, push down the power button, plug it in with the power button pressed, and it should restart for you. I hope this works. I'm Mark with the Average Me channel. Thanks for watching.